dual front-facing camera and an infinity edge display, Samsung's Galaxy A8 sets its sights on the OnePlus 5T. The annual CES Tech Fair isn't usually a big show for smartphones. The bug guns usually hold off for MWC in February to launch their flagship handsets, but you usually get the odd new phone, and this year's big CES phone is the Samsung Galaxy A8. Standout features of this 5.6-inch phone are a dual front-facing camera for selfies and one of those new extra-wide aspect displays. These additions are a first for the Galaxy A series. Unfortunately, Samsung hasn't revealed a UK price for the A8 yet, but that's not going to stop me taking an educated guess. You can pick up 2017's Galaxy A7 for £355, so I expect the Galaxy A8 to fetch a higher price because of its edge-to-edge scene. Its starting price likely won't be as high as the Samsung Galaxy S8 when it first launched, so I'd say it's likely the A8 will launch at a similar price to the OnePlus 5T, at around £450. As for its release date, the A8 will launch in April 2018. The Samsung Galaxy A8 is equipped with a 5.6-inch 1080x2220 Super AMOLED display, 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, expandable up to 256GB via microSD. Powering the handset is a 2.4 GHz octa-core Exynos 7885 processor. The phone also houses a 3,000 mAh battery. I wasn't able to put it through its paces with benchmarks, but on first impression the phone felt snappy and responsive and was able to handle light multitasking without slowing down. As for software, the Samsung Galaxy A8 runs on Android 7.1.1 with Samsung's TouchWiz overlay on top. That's right, this 2018 smartphone doesn't have Android 8 Oreo, a rather particular decision given most budget and mid-range smartphones now come with Google's latest operating system.